This commercial is sponsored by the Pearl Company. Today I come to talk about the wonderful Nikon camera that today has discount of 10% off by calling 676388800. But they will not take one camera, they will take two. But what are its characteristics? We will tell you now.
This art is created by the Pearl Corporation. These are the characteristics of the new camera of our company. The IX format, 20 megapixels, 5 CPS continuous shots, 100 ISO, Full HD, 118. The camera includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth.